In the previous video, I shared how July was extremely overwhelming and a lot of things were happening all at once, and I was finding it very difficult to keep my mental health in check and to also focus on my communications, on my classes. So at this time, yes, I did speak to my own animals. While I was speaking to others' animals, I asked them for guidance, but I also took help of my tarot cards to help me find more clarity, more alignment in the situation that we were all in. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how we can use our tarot cards as a guidance tool, as a healing tool, or as a tool to help bring more alignment to ourselves as well. So like always, I took my cards, cleansed them and charged them. Now remember, I was already overwhelmed, so I was not in a place to pull out many cards and start connecting and interpreting them. Instead, I chose to just pick one card at a time. And my clear question to the cards was, how do I manage this situation in a positive and a more aligned way? Because I really wanted to know how I could disconnect from all the chaos that was happening around and focus on things that were under my control, because there were so many things around me that were completely out of my control. So I took my cards, I cleansed them, I charged them, I shuffled the cards, and I just brought out one card to give me the clarity that I was seeking. Now, it was very surprising and it was amusing also that the card that came out was Seven of Swords. Now, the Seven of Swords is a card of theft. You see this person taking away something, and typically it talks about something being stolen from us or something being taken away from us. It could be something tangible, it could be something intangible. In my context, it made sense. My peace of mind was kind of robbed from me, and that is exactly what I was going through. So now my interpretation for this card was that I need to focus on the things that I have instead of focusing on the things that I feel are being taken away, and then rebuild on it. So this was the challenge for me, and therefore I felt like I needed a little more clarity. So I pulled up another card. So I thanked the cards for pulling this card out, telling me clearly what my situation is. And then, as a resolution for it, as guidance for it, I pulled out another card. And this time, the card that came out was the card of justice. Now, this card is, of course, about justice itself. It is about ensuring that we have a balance in our karma, in the things that we do, in the things that we think about, and that balance needs to be maintained. So, now this was the guidance that came to me from tarot cards, and I interpreted it in a way that I could actually put it into actions. Of course, everybody will have a very different interpretation depending upon their situation, their understanding of the cards, and their relationship with the cards as well. So I interpreted it in a way that I understood it and I can put it into action. And after that, I instantly kind of felt calmer, because I thought that okay, this is something that is doable for me, and I could probably just focus on this for now to realign my energy, and then maybe think about the other things that need my attention. So this is how tarot cards help me come out of my overwhelm and help me align my energy. If you've had similar experiences where you have used your tarot cards for something that you've been going through, please do comment in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye bye.